Okay, I just want to make sure that this math game site makes sense to everyone, so I'm going to do an example problem for you all. So at the top it says, Dahlia owns a company and is trying to compare her employees' productivity. The table below shows the number of tasks that employees Michaela and Ashley complete during different months. Use the data in the table to complete the bar graph. So here's the table off to the left here. So it looks like there's 5 months, so January, February, March, April, and May. And then it has Michaela and Ashley. And the table is titled Tasks Completed by Michaela and Ashley. So I want to transfer this information from the table over to the bar graph. So it's going to be a double bar graph, remember. So Michaela, because she's listed first here, is going to be our very first bar that pops up. And the first bar is always going to be blue. So for hers, I'm going to drag hers up to 100 because I'm in January down here and I see that her value is 100 tasks completed in January. So I'm just going to drag it up and then I'm going to click. And it even tells me 100, right? Oops. Right where it says series one, just to make sure that I did click on the right value because it can be kind of hard to see sometimes. So for Ashley, I would go to the orange column here. And then she completed 60 tasks. So right here is 50. So I'm just going to jump one up and see if when I click on it, if it says 60. And it does say 60. So for February, my blue column is Michaela, and she completed 70 tasks. So if it's not going to tell you if you are wrong until you click on answer at the very end. So if you were to click on an incorrect value, like I just clicked on 80, you wouldn't know that until the very end. So it's important to go over your work. So we have 70 for Michaela in February, and we have 90 for Ashley. We have 70 again for Michaela in March, 80 for Ashley. We have 100 for Michaela in April and 50 for Ashley. And we have 100 for both of them in May. So then I would click answer and it would tell me that I did a great job and that I got another check down here. So your goal for this assignment is to get at least 7 out of 10. If you do not get 7 out of 10, I want you to retry and reach out to me if it's confusing. So just send me a text or a private comment on your slideshow.